the HelloBaby HB65 Video Baby Monitor, featuring a clear display, secure wireless connection, night vision, and two-way audio to help you keep an eye on your baby anytime, day or night. What's in the box? In the box, you will find the HelloBaby HB65 Video Baby Monitor, parent unit, power adapter, wall mounting kit, and user manual. Product overview. How to use the HelloBaby HB65 Video Baby Monitor is easy to operate with intuitive controls for camera pan, tilt, zoom, screen on/off, and two-way audio. Its menu lets you pair multiple cameras, adjust volume and brightness, monitor room temperature, play soothing lullabies, set feeding alarms, and enable Vox mode, which automatically activates the screen and audio when your baby makes a sound. Smart features? Enjoy clear live video with remote pan, tilt, and digital zoom. The wide viewing angle helps you monitor more of your baby's room with ease. The secure 2.4 GHz FHSS connection provides stable private monitoring without Wi-Fi or apps. Stay connected with reliable long-range performance. Automatic infrared night vision keeps your baby visible in the dark. Built-in lullabies and temperature monitoring add extra comfort and peace of mind. Vox mode automatically turns on the screen when your baby makes a sound. Multi-camera support and scan mode make monitoring even more convenient. Simple buttons let you adjust the camera, volume, brightness, and zoom in seconds. The intuitive menu makes everyday operation quick and hassle-free. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your HelloBaby HB65 Video Baby Monitor. See you at the next one.